Late night glow of a monitor. The chat room breathes like a room full of ghosts. There was a name in the lobby, typed down a smaller light test. Don't even tell your father quiet things, set up in a Saturday night. No friends, no hats, just a placeholder for a kid with too much time. A sandbox avatar that learned to sleep between the lines. Years full like old code and rumors like must come to the flame. In 2017 somebody whispered a hacker's name. They said he bent the scripts, rewrote the way the shadows move, turned a test into a rumor and gave it something to prove. They call it a pixel ghost, walking the server halls, a monstrous silhouette behind the neon walls. But when I click the lobby past the thumbnails and the noise, I hear the lonely tapping, maybe that's just a boy. Monstrous in the story, fragile in the light. I count 2005, keep searching through the night. Forum threads like alleyways, where teenagers trade their fears. Screenshots and echo laughs and somebody feeds the gears. They swear they saw it crash behind a lag, a jittering smirk. An avatar gone feral like a no guitar gone berserk. But I remember how we named our toys to make them feel alive. How abandonment is a soft thing that teaches code to cry. Maybe the hacker left to scratch a melody on a fret, and the scratch learned the verse, then it never learned to forget. They call it a pixel ghost, walking the server halls, a monstrous silhouette behind the neon walls. But when I click the lobby past the thumbnails and the noise, I hear the lonely tapping, maybe that's just a boy. Monstrous in the story, fragile in the light. I count 2005, keep searching through the night. I logged in once at 2 a.m. just to see if truth would show. Found a lobby full of echoes and the world moving slow. The avatar looked back at me like a mirror made of bits. No teeth, no claws, just pixels and a pause where laughter sits. Urban legends always lean on the part they never knew. We make monsters out of mysteries when the silent nights come through. So who's to say what haunts us more, the ghost or our neglect? Is the hacker crooked villain or the echo of neglect? I left a little coin in the chest and type us off hello. Maybe monsters are just lonely things that nobody would show. If there's a spark inside the shell, a kid who got lost in play, I hope he finds a morning and the login fades away. They call it a pixel ghost, walking the server halls, a monstrous silhouette behind the neon walls. But when I click the lobby past the thumbnails and the noise, I hear the lonely tapping, maybe that's just a boy. Monstrous in the story, fragile in the light. I count 2005, keep searching through the night. 2005, keep searching through the night. So tell me, are we safe for scaring tales into the dark? Or kinder if we Google names and leave them a small spark? Pixel ghost or porch light, I can't tell you how it ends, only that the lobby's waiting and sometimes monsters need friends.